4 bars. We will add the left hand. The left hand only has E and a D. So it sounds like this if we put hands together. And then we'll continue. The left hand will play E and a B. And the right hand is slightly more complicated because it has to play the black note here. So the best way, I guess, is to use your thumb for this E, and then you can turn your middle finger to this black note. Yeah. So we'll do this. To put this together. And then we'll repeat. Here we've got a slight change. You want to play those 2 black notes, so you have to turn your third finger, the middle finger, in this D sharp. Okay, and move down to the chorus. Here we have to turn the finger again, so it's wise to use your thumb for this A, and then you can turn. When you play the keyboard, when you want to do a turn, try not to just turn with the finger, but use a bit wrist movement. Yeah, and then we have similar to earlier. The key advice is whenever you know you're going to turn, you use the thumb to play the note before, and then you can use the longer finger and middle finger to play the black note. Yeah. And repeat. Here you see I want to turn again for those notes, yeah. So it's wise to use the thumb. Yeah. So I'm going to play the whole piece again.